Hello and welcome. I'm Dennis. I work for Zenfolio in customer success. I'm a photographer and I'm a certified yoga teacher. In this video, I'd like to share with you some of my daily meditation practice that allows me to clear my mind so I can be more present and ready for whatever life may bring. There are various types of meditation. I was taught a simple meditation practice, often referred to as mindfulness meditation. In mindfulness meditation, you practice focusing your mind on your breathing, taking notice of when the mind wanders. As thoughts arise, you can immediately dismiss them if they're not important to you, or you can spend a little time unpacking them first before letting them go and returning to your breath. The practice of returning to the breath builds your attention muscles, helping you to maintain a calm and focused mind, clear of unresolved or unneeded thoughts, so you can be more present and mindful throughout the day. Some other benefits of meditation, they include reduced stress, reduced anxiety, it can improve your self-image, allow you to better understand your pain, and many other benefits. The practice of yoga is meditation. The postures and breathing techniques help to prepare you to be still for meditation. Often I meditate in the morning after asana and pranayama practice, but feel free to meditate when you need to. If I'm short on time and can only do 10 minutes, I sometimes set a timer, but I try to do at least 20 minutes for the best overall feeling and benefits. Now, I'd like to invite you to practice with me. If you're new to practicing meditation, maybe rest your critical self and allow your curious self to be present. If you can, try to eliminate any potential distractions like pets, children, phones. Make sure the space is clean and free of clutter, smells, sounds, anything that may distract you. Sometimes I have a pencil and notebook near to jot down any thoughts that may come up that I'd like to make a note of. So feel free to retrieve those if you'd like. It's important while meditating to be able to remain comfortably still for the practice. So make sure that you're loose and not in need of any stretching, water, or anything else. I recommend a few sun salutations or Surya Namaskar before meditating, again, to prepare your body for the stillness. To begin, let's find a naturally comfortable seat. So find yourself a seat on the floor, in a chair, any seat will do. I'm in Sukhasana on the floor, which is easy pose, which is a simple cross-legged position. If you're on the floor or even in a chair, sit on a cushion or pillow or something to allow your hips to be higher than your knees to preserve the curve in your lower back. So you want to keep your back straight and long. So your head should be aligned with your shoulders and your tailbone. Very nice posture. Lift your neck gently while your tailbone moves downward to create a length in your spine. Your hands, you can rest your hands nicely on your knees or on your lap or wherever they are comfortable. Now, to begin, let's begin to bring our awareness to our bodies. So begin to bring your awareness to your body. Check in with it. Make sure that it's going to be okay for the duration of your practice. Assure your body is going to be okay, safe and comfortable. Begin to feel what's in contact with your body and the space that you're in. Feel the contact with the chair or the floor. Imagine those parts of your body rooting and pressing into the ground beneath you, receiving its support. Begin to relax your shoulders. Gently lift them up towards your ears, roll them back, expanding your chest, then soften them back down. Whatever movements may feel right. Using slow, gentle movements. Begin to loosen the muscles in your neck. Maybe look up, look down, left, right, whatever feels natural. Maybe bring each ear slowly towards your shoulder. Do one side, then the other, just to loosen your neck up a bit. Relax your face, relax your forehead. Open your mouth to relax your jaw. Stretch out your tongue, then soften and lay it flat in your mouth. If you can breathe freely through your nose, you may keep your mouth closed. Your eyes, they can be kept lowered with your gaze resting on the ground a few feet in front of you. Continue to scan each part of your body, relaxing and preparing your whole body for stillness. Now, let's take 3 deep breaths in through your nose and out through your mouth. Maybe let out a sigh or an om with each exhale. After the deep breaths, allow your breathing to return to normal. Notice if you feel a little lighter and more settled. Now that our bodies are more comfortable and safe, begin to bring your attention, your awareness to your breathing. As you inhale, notice how your breath feels on the tip of your nose. It may feel slightly fuzzy. Notice how your breath travels into your body, cooling on the inhalation, warming on the exhalation. Notice how your chest opens and lifts on the inhalation and releases and lowers on the exhalation. As you inhale, the supporting air seems to fill and lift your body. Then on your exhale, you're able to let it go, softening into your seat. This powerful, sustaining breath, it fills your entire body, energizing you from your feet to the top of your head, recharging, cleansing, healing. Your mind, your body, they are tools for your true self to use to experience life. Allow your mind and body together to focus entirely on your breathing. is nowhere you need to be. There's nothing else for you to do now. Just breathe. As thoughts emerge, let them come and go, making it up that it's easy to choose what your mind does. Acknowledge the thought, release it, then return your breath. Return to it each time. Let's continue with this practice. Remember, it's okay if something comes up. Notice it, toss it back, and return to the breath. As you clear away thoughts, this may allow larger, heavier thoughts to surface that may be less easy to resolve. You may grant yourself the patience needed to clear these as well. This is your practice. We'll continue in silence for a few moments. Begin to invite movement into the fingers and toes. Gently lift your gaze. If your eyes are closed, open them. Take a deep breath. Inhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. And exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4. Take a moment to notice how you feel now. I hope you feel more ready to enjoy what life happens next. Thank you for watching this video and joining me in this practice. Peace.